You need to install WorldEdit. Building is very time consuming and requires a skill, whereas with WorldEdit you can vastly speed up your workload, making builds on a larger scale and of a higher quality, quickly and easily. Whether this is from casual builds all the way up to large scale server hubs. In this video I will show you the process of installing WorldEdit on both Fabric and Paper Minecraft servers, as well as a detailed tutorial on how to use it, and go from builds looking like this all the way to builds looking like this. So let's get into it. To begin with, we're going to install WorldEdit for Fabric. To begin, open Google Chrome. Copy the first link in the description into the URL bar and hit enter. And now navigate to this downloads button on this page and wait 5 seconds for your download to begin. You will see it appear in the bottom hand corner. Name it like that and hit save. Wait for that to download. Now get the second link in the description, which is required to run most Fabric mods, and it's called Fabric API. So now click on a new tab, paste that in, hit enter, and download this to your desktop. Now go to the search bar and search %appdata%. This will open a file folder where all of your app data files are kept. Navigate to the .minecraft folder and to mods and copy both these files into that folder. So now we're going to install WorldEdit on our Minecraft server. For me, this is a folder on my PC with all the necessary files for running a Minecraft server on. Yours may be a server host in which you can access the file system with FTP, which there'll be documentation on the hosting's website. But for me, you're going to open this, you're going to go to plugins, and now you're going to open Chrome. You're going to paste the third link in the description in, download the latest file, select the desktop, wait for that to download. Now you're going to pop this file in there and start your Minecraft server. So welcome to the tutorial part of the segment. We should now have WorldEdit installed. I'm currently on a Minecraft server. As you can see, WorldEdit is installed. So we're going to start off with the first command, which is the most necessary and most simple command, //wand. This gives you a wooden axe, which allows you to select areas by left clicking for position 1 and right clicking on the mouse for position 2. As you can see, I've now selected this area here. Although nothing is visible, the chat messages indicate that was successfully done. Another way you can select positions is with //pos1 and //pos2. If you need to set a position in a place where you can't click a block, that will work. So now let's get down to business. If you select this area and then do //set and then diamond block, the area will be set to diamond block. You can now undo this. You can now redo that with //undo and //redo. You can now also select another area and //replace grass _ block with air. So it now ignores the diamonds in the middle only breaks the grass. And then you have another one, which is very similar to replace. However, it's / replace near, and then you specify a radius, which I wouldn't do more than 80 if you don't want to crash everything. So I'll do about 25 here, and we go grass, underscore block, and air. Then hey presto, this whole area, without me doing anything, can just be like converted into air. This also works for dirt, as you can probably imagine. Look, now we can just like dig through the dirt in large amounts. I like using this command a lot. You select an area, then do / center, and then diamond block, or a block of your choice, and it shows you the center of the selection. Useful for when you're finding the middle of things in builds. Another one that will be useful, but not really useful on this, you can select an area once again, and set biome. However, this is super flat, so there's not much point in doing that. But you could, and you can also do select an area, and do / regen, and it should regenerate it. You may also need to do / expand vertical, which makes the region go all the way up to height limit and all the way down to bedrock. Now if you regen, there we go, it regenerated that chunk. If this was a normal world, that would obviously have all the trees, any structures included in that chunk. Another thing that is quite useful is if we say made a little face, we were really proud of our face, and we selected that with the WorldEdit axe, stood in the corner, did / copy. You can now paste this wherever you want in your world. Simple as that, infinite smiley faces. You can also set multiple blocks. So if you select an area, you can do / set, then say diamond blocks, diamond ore, redstone ore, or redstone block, let's just go with that. These are all separated by commas, and then it randomly places the blocks that you picked, basically. There are all sorts of things, like you can make a cylinder as well. A cylinder of, say, iron blocks. Oh, and then you have to do, I think, 10. There you go. Now I've got a cylinder of 10 iron blocks radius. And I'm pretty sure you can do a sphere of iron blocks. Oh, I'm in the middle of the sphere. But hey, got a sphere now. Also, another really good command is if you do / set water. That'll do. And you stand in the water. You can then do / drain. And then specify radius. And it's gone. That also works for lava, by the way. Good for clearing up any messes you create with WorldEdit, which I assure you there will be lots. Oh, and the final command that I feel is really good is, wait, let me make a selection. So say you need to box in an area really quickly, go up here, you do your / pos2 that you've just learned, and then use this command / walls, and hey, you've got walls. Instantly, you don't have to do it 4 times, like, oh, here to here, / set diamond. You don't need to do that. It's just done for you. Well, thanks for watching everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video on WorldEdit in installing it and a short tutorial on how to use it. See you in the next video. Bye.